Hi friends, today I am showing how to make a small terrarium in a small glass container. It's very easy to make. For this I take a small glass container, which is gifted by my mentor. First have to clean the glass using glass cleaner for a clear view. Then we can start making the mixture using spurgam moss plus pot soil and some dry leaves. For the base drainage layer, I am using leca balls, or you can use small gravels. For the mixture we can add aqua soil. There is some gravel I keep for the base. Then I take some stones and plants which are stored in containers. I'll take in some spider wood for detailing the terrarium. First we have to make a mixture for the wall. For that we have to mix spurgam moss plus pot soil plus aqua soil plus spray water. Mix well until form like a paste. Guys, now we can use the paste type mixture to make a wall inside the glass container. Add the mixture and press well. That helps to stick on the glass like a wall. I am planning to make a small wall on glass to add some small stone for detailing. Then I am planning to add mosses on the wall. First plan to add java moss, which is stored in the container. Actually, I am using java moss for the first time in a terrarium as an experiment. The planning to add some phytonia. First I take java moss and cut into small pieces using a scissors. The small pieces of java moss, I plan simply stick on the soil wall. Now you can see I stick the java moss on the soil wall, just press with our own hands. On the other side of the wall I plan to stick cushion moss on the soil wall. Before I stick the cushion moss we have to cut the bottom part of the moss. Now friends, you can see that I stick the cushion moss on the wall. Friends, please subscribe to my channel. After completing planting on the wall, keep the container's normal position and add some leca clay ball in the bottom as the base, help to store excess water. After adding some leca clay ball I added some small chip stone, and above that I add the mixture of soil as I showed before.
Hey there! Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
I added some selaginella. Then I plan to add some phytonia. As you can see, I added some sand for decorating. This looks like a simple terrarium, but still something I want to add to looks more natural. I plan to add some spider wood for detailing the wall to look more natural. Now you can see after I added some spider wood attached with wall. Add some springtail bugs to the terrarium which help spread beneficial fungi on plant roots. The numbers of springtails rise and fall with fluctuations in temperature, moisture, and food availability. Now my tiny terrarium is ready. I just covered the terrarium using wrapping paper that helps to keep the terrarium moisture. Friends, you can see the terrarium under the light to see clearly. Keep the terrarium under light at least 6 hours daily. After 3 weeks, I just added a mini character and added some Monte Carlo. Friends, if you want to buy terrarium accessories, I will give a link in the description. Friends, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.